Hi, South Carolina. So this video is for the Pick 3 Pi method that I use sometimes. It is a step-by-step guide, and it's just showing examples on how I go about doing that process. So you can use it also after this next coming Sunday. You would just plug in that number that hits next Sunday and then just plug in that number to these examples. Okay, so for South Carolina, the 6 numbers that I use are 314 and 159, and that's just the first 6 digits in pi. So for South Carolina, your state likes Sundays. They like box hit, straight hit, -1, -2, and +1. I also like to go back about a month to test this out. So on October 15th, you had 368 hit. You're going to add 314, so 8 plus 4 is 12, keep the 2. 6 plus 1 is 7, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, so 672. You also want to subtract off 314, so 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 3 minus 3 is 0. So both 054 and 672 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take 672, which you got from up here, 672 plus 159, 2 plus 9 is 11, keep the 1. 7 plus 5 is 12, keep the 2, and then 6 plus 1 is 7, so 721, and then you're going to add 1 to that 1 right there, and that'll bring it to 722, which was a box hit on October 20th. And then you would do the same thing. You would take off 159, 12 minus 9 is 3, 7 minus 5 is 2, and then 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 523, that one did not hit in the next 7 days. Okay, so you're also going to take 054, which was, one of the digits you got initially. So 054 plus 159, 9 plus 4 is 13, keep the 3. 5 plus 5 is 10, keep the 0, and then 0 plus 1 is 1. So 103. You're going to add 1 to that 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Bring down the 10, and that's 104. And that did hit on October 18th as a box hit. You're also going to subtract off 159. So 14 minus 9 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. And then see, I did that one a little bit backwards, but so that would be 9, or 10 minus 1 is 9. So 905. 905 minus 1 off the 5, and that'll be 904. And then that was a box hit on October 21st. You're going to mirror the digit that we started with. So the 368, you're going to mirror that one out to 813. 813 plus 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7. 2 plus 2, or 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 8 plus 3 is 11. Keep the 1. 127 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also subtract off 314, so 13 minus 4 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0, and then 8 minus 3 is 5, so 509. You're going to subtract off the 1 from the 5, and then that'll be 409, and that was a box hit on October 21st. You're going to also take that 127, which you got from up here, 127 plus 159, so 9 plus 7 is 16, keep the 6. 12 minus Oh, these two don't matter that much. Oh, that is 16, that's right. Okay, sorry about that. So 9 plus 7 is 16, keep the 6. 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, so 276. You're going to also subtract off the 159, so 17 minus 9 is 8, 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0, 7, 8, and 2, 7, 6 did not hit in the next 7 days. You're going to also take that 509, add 159, so 9 plus 9 is 18, keep the 8. 0 plus 5 is 5, and then 5 plus 1 is 6, so 658. You want to also subtract off the 159, so 9 minus 9 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 5 minus 1 is 4, so 450 and 658 did not hit in the next 7 days. And then from this point, I'm just going to show you the numbers that did hit and not the numbers that did not hit. So on October 22nd, you had 773. You're going to add 314, so 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 7 plus 3 is 10. Keep the 0. And then 087 plus 159. 7 plus 9 is 16. Keep the 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. Keep the 3. And then 0 plus 1 is 1, so 136. And then you're going to subtract off 1 from that 1 and that, so that's going to be 036, and that hit on October 25th. And then you're going to mirror the 773 to 228. So 228 minus 314, 8 minus 4 is 4, 2 minus 1 is 1, and then 12 minus 3 is 9. So 914. You're going to take that 914 and add 159. So 4 plus 9 is 13. Keep the 3. 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 9 plus 1 is 10. Keep the 0. And then 063 did hit on October 25th. And then you'll take that 228, which you got from up here, and then 228 plus 314. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Keep the 2. 2 plus 1 is 3, and then 2 plus 3 is 5. So 532. You're going to add on 532 plus 159. 9 plus 2 is 11. Keep the 1. 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 5 plus 1 is 6. You're going to add 1 to that, and that's 682, and that one did hit on October 27th. Okay, and then on October 29th, 734 hit, so you're going to take 734, mirror that one to 289, 289 plus 314, 9 plus 4 is 13, keep the 3. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 2 plus 3 is 5. So 593. You're going to take 593 minus 159. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 5 minus 1 is 4. So 444. I'm going to subtract off 1 from the middle digit there, and then 434 was a straight hit on November 2nd. And then you're going to take 289 minus 314. So 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 1 is 7. And then 12 minus 3 is 9. So 975. You're going to add on 159. So 5 plus 9 is 14. Keep the 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. Keep the 2. And then 9 plus 1 is 10. Keep the 0. You're going to subtract off 1 from the 4 there. And then at 023. And that was a box hit on November 1st. Okay, so on November 5th, 108 hit. You're going to add 314. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Keep the 2. 0 plus 1 is 1. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. So 412. Subtract off 2 from the 2, and that's 410. That was a straight hit on November 6th. And then you also had a repeat of 108 on November 12th. So 108 minus 314. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9. And I did mess up on the subtraction there. Normally that would be an 8. But so when I did 3 minus 1 is 2 there, 294. That did get some hits, so I wanted to include it. So 294 minus 1, so that's 293. And that was a straight hit on November 17th. And then 294 plus 159, so 4 plus 9 is 13, keep the 3. 9 plus 5 is 14, keep the 4. And then 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3, 4, 3. And then 3, 4, 3 minus 1 off that 3, that last digit, and that's 3, 4, 2. And that was a box hit on November 17th. And then you'll take that 3, 4, 3 plus 1, so that's going to be 4, 5, 3, and that was a box hit on November 13th. And then 294 minus 159, so 14 minus 9 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 2 minus 1 is 1, so 145. Subtract off 2 from that 5 there, and that's 143. That was a box hit on November 19th. And then from this point, I'm going to just show you the calculations for the potential numbers for the next 7 days. They are circled, and then there will be a summary towards the end here, but I wanted to show you the steps also. So 134, that one did hit on November 19th. So 134 plus 314, 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 1 plus 3 is 4, so 4, 4, 8. We're going to add 159, so 9 plus 8 is 17, keep the 7. 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 4 plus 1 is 5. You're going to add 1 to that 7, and that becomes 598. And then you'll take 134 minus 314, so 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2, and then 11 minus 3 is 8. So 820, add 159, so 0 plus 9 is 9, 2 plus 5 is 7, and then 8 plus 1 is 9. So 979, add 1, and that's 970. And then you'll also subtract off 159, so 0 minus 9, or 10 minus 9 is 1. 12 minus 5 is 7, and then 8 minus 1 is 7. So 771, and then minus 1 is 770. You're going to mirror the 134 to 689. So 689 minus 314. 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then 6 minus 3 is 7. So 375. Subtract off 1, and that's 275. And then 375 plus 159, so 5 plus 9 is 14, keep the 4. 7 plus 5 is 12, keep the 2. And then 3 plus 1 is 4, so 424. You're going to also add on 314 to that 689, so that's 9 plus 4 is 13, keep the 3. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 6 plus 3 is 9, so 993. And then 993 plus 159, that's going to give 042. And then 042 plus 1 is 043. You're going to also add on 134, so 4 plus 4 is 8. 3 plus 1 is 4, and then 3 plus 1 is 4, so 448. You're going to add on 159, so 8 plus 9 is 17, keep the 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 4 plus 1 is 5. And then subtract off 1 from the 5, and that's 497. And then you're also going to take 448 and then subtract off 2 from it. So that's going to be 446. And then you're going to take 134 minus 314. So 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 1 is... Or on this one, I just did, let's see here. I just did 8 plus 3 is 8 there. So, and then you just do 2 minus 3 is 1. So 280. 280 minus 1, so 10 minus 1 is 9, and bring down 28, so that's 289. And then 280 plus 159, 0 plus 9 is 9, 8 plus 5 is 13, keep the 3, and then 2 plus 1 is 3, so 339. subtract off 1, and that's 338, and you also want to add 1, so that's 330. And then 280 minus 159, so 10 minus 9 is 1, 8 minus 5 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 131 plus 1 is 2, and ignore the circle there, that should not be included. And then 231 minus 2 is going to make that 239. And then you're going to mirror the 134 again to 689. 689 minus 314 is 9 minus 4 is 5. 8 minus 1 is 7, and then 6 minus 3 is 7, so 375. Add 159 to 375, and that's 424, and then 424 minus 1 off the 4 would be 423. And then based on all that, these are the numbers in the next 7 days. There was a lot for your state, so you'll need to narrow it down. I never suggest you're playing more than one at a time, but that's just my personal opinion. The numbers that, just a quick summary on that, so the numbers that might hit in the next 7 days would be 423, 239, 289, 338, 330, 497, 446, 275, 424, 043, 598, 970, and 770. So that's pretty much it, everyone. If you have not subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so, and also make sure to click the bell so you're always notified when I do upload new content.